Welcome everybody. We car talking with OG Marketing. Currently, I'm on my way to this Wednesday investors meeting that I host, where it's a group of individuals. We get in the room and talk about the real estate market and what's not working. We also talk life outside of real estate. So if you're ever interested in real estate and got any questions, you should probably consider checking out this Wednesday meeting that I host. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about why homeowners choose not to go with the realtor and rather work with an investor like me. A lot of homeowners don't like to deal with showings and cleaning up the house and dealing with open houses and even dealing with repairs. Doing repairs could be a key factor, especially if that homeowner can't qualify for a loan or ain't got the money. And also, they also don't like paying realtors a lot. When I hear that 6% commission, sellers don't be wanting to pay that. They look at that like a big chunk of money, especially when they got a house that they trying to sell as is and ain't getting top dollar at that. So that's why they like dealing with guys like me, because we can come in there and buy it with no repairs. We can work with your timeline. We can close as fast or as slow as you want to and make it a smooth process. We ain't got to come in there and show the property. We come in there and we do the inspection ourselves. We buying them as is. I get calls from realtors, other investors, and homeowners about property that they want to sell as is. We deal with situations to where it was a lady who I got a call from. She wanted to sell her dad's property. When her dad passed away, he didn't leave a will or nothing. He just left the property behind, and she had a couple siblings who didn't even want the property. She didn't want it either. She didn't want to do no repairs. She was just wanting to just get rid of it. So I came out there, checked out the property. It was neighbors looking at the property as well, trying to give her offers. She didn't really know how much she wanted for the property, and I just came in there, gave her an honest offer. She accepted it. It had to go through a probate situation before we closed. So one of the incentives we offered was to pay for the probate process. That was one of the things we offered inside of the deal to make it happen. Once the probate process fully went through and everything was clear, property transferred over and we closed. She was happy, we was happy. But the situations where we deal with property that was in distress, a person inheriting the property didn't even want to deal with it. So if you ever thinking about selling the property as is and you think you need to do any repairs to it, you ain't got to lift a finger. You give me a call, I'll come out there, check that property out, see what it's looking like, see the condition, see how much we can offer and try to make something happen. And if you think this video was helpful, share it to somebody who you might know in the area that got property and don't know what to do with it, or they done had a bad experience with a realtor or another investor. Give me a chance. Send this video to them. And again, I appreciate y'all watching these videos. It is OG Marketing. Stay tuned.